Traffic is mad, man. Two side is blocked. So we have to check first. They're fixing the road. There's no bus. That's what happens when you come to Lagos. You experience this. Right here at the bus stop. Waiting for bus. Maybe I know I would have just stay inside. Not going anywhere. This one is crazy. Oh. Oops. Wait, how far? I want to go chop or traffic day road. I trek at the trek they go so like this. Road don't even block. No bus.
That's why I don't like Lagos.
And I'll just be walking for road they go.
What are you going to eat?
I want to go and eat swallow.
No, swallow. Are you sure you will not get your pots and things are all done every time you're going out to eat?
Yeah. I'm waiting for you now.
I want relocating to Lagos.
So you see you are going to see me this week now, so I'm waiting for you.
No,
I'm
you know
praying.
what? I'm treating myself. I'm not sure I'm coming this week again.
No, you say you were going to send me something. Have you forgotten?
Okay, yes. Okay, send your account number. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry. Oh yeah,
This one I'm going to trek from here to. It's just that the woman that is cooking that food is Benue person. So I want to eat Benue food. If not,
okay, I understand.
I've been trekking for over 10 minutes now. Man.
Wow. Are you gonna pick a bike?
No, I don't want to pick a bike in this kind of road. Though. I can't risk my life for that. Though.
Mr. Shima is scared.
No, I'm just being conscious. That's what they call safety. Because at this point now, everybody's rushing.
Yeah, that's true. That's
And you know these are all those guys now, all those bike men. They'll be rushing. So you are coming next week, Abi. You come next week.
Okay, no, I'm not sure. I'll get back to you on that.
You come next year.
No, it's next year. I don't understand.
Okay, you come next month.
I'll let you know, but it might even be before the next one. I'll let you know.
It can even be under probability. I say it can even be.
I don't want to give a particular report, but I know
Okay.
just send that.
Did you use OPay?
It's my okay, okay.
And that my number that ends with 10. That's my OPay account. Eh?
I think if I don't say but you manage it though.
Yeah. Even if now 5 naira, I appreciate it. Oh. Yeah, don't.
Yeah?
Even if it is 5 naira, I appreciate it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
It's what you have now.
No.
You cannot.
Yes, I'll do it now. If you get the recharge card, no, on top of that, this my outreach has really dealt with me. The kind of money I spent. And again, my team that came, I have to transport so many of them. I have to do it God. You really get to me.
I saw this thing that you were even using Hilux. I say, hey,
Yeah.
Sea level and money. That's what they call level and money now.
And then, like, which level I'm on.
Where you go buy Hilux?
Huh?
Where you go buy Hilux now?
Not God.
Huh?
Not God.
You see?
Not God.
No be small thing.
What is more better?
You landed in the big well.
Exactly.
If you are going to IDP next, huh? If I if you are going to IDP, if you are going to IDP next time, you need to carry plenty food.
I'm not doing that again, though.
Ah,
But going there, I might go there on Tuesday. I want to go drop clothes for them.
okay.
But not food. Yes.
Because those people, they are too plenty.
Over plenty. You can't even feed them. You can't finish. You can't sometimes they're angry.
When I used to go there, ah, you see people with challenges and your money will not be enough.
That's true.
You,
Yeah.
you see so many challenges, and there'll be minor challenges. So, but when you look at your pocket, you discover
You just have to focus on gradually well so that you don't get distracted.
so sometimes what you can do, you buy Omo, all those territories, Omo, soap, all those things.
Yes.
You give to them. But I don't think
Yeah.
food is their problem.
Okay. No, the reason we did that day was because it was Valentine's Day. So we were going to feed them. That
Oh,
was the reason why Valentine's, that was why we did what we did.
okay.
We said food is their problem. Food is their problem. They want food too. They want to eat. They want to feed they want to fill their stomach.
Yeah.
So that was how we literally did. Because you see the theme of the program is spread love by feeding the many people in
Uh,
our body.
uh, try.
That was why.
No, you did well. You did well.
Thank you, sir.
You did well. Don't
Thank
worry.
you.
When people like us made it, we'll partner up with you.
Amen. 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 That's my aim. Speaking from Lagos, all the way from Lagos.
We'll partner with you big time.
Amen. Oh, that's our prayer and that's our focus in life.
Yes, so.
We're seeing deeply into the future, that the future will be bright.
Yeah, God will do it for us.
Amen. What? I don't feel exactly.
You say?
I mean, they try like it from Lagos. I would not think though if that.
Me, I just come out my house, so I just come out from my house. Say, I think say if I pass one place, the traffic go finish. Now the traffic just
Yeah.
over 20 minutes now.
Now you continue like
Ah,
what?
yeah. So
Are you close? Are you close?
I'm not close. So
Down. It's like sugar. It's the sugar young today. Yeah, I
I've not eaten since morning. Oh. And because of this Lagos traffic, it's making me to trek.
The traffic is crazy. Lagos traffic is crazy.
This is 300 naira transport. Oh. I'm trekking the 300 naira transport.
I'm really trekking it too.
And there's another traffic in front. Oh. The way I'm seeing now, there's another traffic in front.
That lady that brought for you that day, she can't bring food today.
I don't think so. I don't want it to be like, see, if it's a routine, you know.
Yeah, wow. Sorry.
She assisted me that day.
You're the mainland,
What?
Are you at the mainland or island?
Island.
Okay.
Shongotedo. Aja